Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm making a delicious vegetable soup. Yes, veggie soup. This is so delicious. It is a crowd pleaser. Perfect for the winter, perfect for the summer. Continue watching to see how I make it and all the ingredients. For the ingredients, you'll need 2 cups of frozen veggies of your choice, 3 tomatoes, 3 red onions, 3 garlic cloves, a handful of cilantro, and 1 cup of red lentils. I'm also using unsalted vegetable stock. I like to salt it to my preference. Now you want to chop up your red onions and your garlic, and wash and prep your red lentils. Next, you're going to pour some olive oil into a big pan and wait for it to heat up, and then we're going to go ahead and add in the onions and the garlic. By the way, you can use any oil of your choice, whatever you have on hand. And I'm using about 4 tablespoons of oil. And we're going to cook these down on medium heat until it's translucent. Now you see my onions have been cooked down beautifully. You're going to go ahead and add in the frozen vegetables that I'm using. You can also use fresh vegetables, but this just makes the process a whole lot easier. And we're going to go ahead and add in the red lentils. And you're just going to combine that and cook it down just so everything softens up a bit. The vegetables have cooked down, and I'm going to go ahead and add in my spices and mix everything thoroughly so all the flavors get into the vegetables and you have a nice flavorful soup. I'm using a teaspoon of curry powder, a little pinch of this red pepper, it's really spicy, 2 tablespoons of sea salt, a tablespoon of paprika, a tablespoon of turmeric, and 2 tablespoons of black pepper. And now that my sauce and spices have combined, I'm adding 4 cups of this vegetable stock. If you're wondering, 4 cups is half of that container. And I'm adding 5 cups of water. And you just want to mix everything 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. Combine it really well, and you're going to cover the lid and let it cook on medium heat for about 20-25 minutes until everything is soft and ready to cook. And while you're letting that cook, we're going to go ahead and cut our tomatoes and our cilantro. I do like to put these in at the end since tomatoes do wilt down really quickly, and my cilantro, I like the fresh taste it gives. So you're going to go ahead and do that. Okay, I struggled so bad trying to take the tomatoes and put it with one hand into the pot while filming, and it did not work out. But anywho, after about 20 to 25 minutes, you're going to add in your tomatoes and the cilantro, and you're going to cover the lid and let that cook down for about another 10 to 15 minutes until the tomatoes have softened. And then it will be ready to serve. And this will be on medium heat. And this is what the final product should look like. The final soup, I should say. It's so good, it's so delicious. I hope you guys enjoy. Please like and subscribe for more videos and comment down below what you guys would like to see next. Thanks for watching. Bye!